Hi, welcome back to the Keytos YouTube channel. Today we're going to look at how to create user certificates if your administrator has enabled this. So if your administrator has told you to come watch this video to create your certificates, you're in the right place. If you cannot see this, that means that this is not enabling your tenant for you. Talk to your administrator and they'll enable it if they think it's necessary. Let's get started. So the first thing is, if you have multiple profiles, most of you will just have one, but in this case, I just want to show all the options. You might have to select here which one you want. So for example, in here, my administrator has set up Wi-Fi authentication and VPN authentication, different profiles, so might have to download different certificates. Another thing is they might have enabled to have certificates stored in EZCA, allowing you to use the same private key in multiple devices. Let's say you want to use the same certificate for encrypting email in all your devices. Then you want to select Save Private Key, and this will enable you to save your certificate in different devices. As you can see here, I've already created that. In this case, we're just going to create the VPN one. They didn't give me any options other than to name my certificate. So this is just so you know how to name it. So VPN laptop cert. And this is just for you internally. You can name it whatever you want. And we're just going to click create certificate. So what this is going to do is going to create our certificate and we're good to go. The only thing is, if it doesn't have the save key in EZCA, then this is the only time you can download the certificate. So make sure you click the download PEM if you're using Mac or Linux, or PFX if you're using Windows. We also have instructions on how to install it, so you can download it, install it, and that's how you create the certificate. So let's say you get an email a year from now that your certificate is expiring. So what we do is we go back to view my certificates. In this case, you would be logging in again and going back to the user certificates. And in here, you can see all your available certificates. You can see this one expires in January and this one also expires in January. So what we're going to do is click renew certificate. And this is, so I'm actually going to do it in the Wi-Fi one. This is going to use my existing key and it's just going to create a new certificate. So as simple as that, this is how you download and manage your certificates using the user certificate function in EZCA. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.